In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate Google Classroom through WebDesk. Once your student is on WebDesk, they need to find the Google Classroom tile, and this is how the icon looks, what I'm pointing at right now. They tap on the Google Classroom tile, and then that is going to open up their Google Classroom. Please remember that you should be in the Google Chrome browser in order for everything to work the way that it is supposed to. So once we get that opened up, then your child is going to see their teacher's different classrooms. Now, this is a secondary student, so you're going to see several different um, tiles where you see the different classes. In elementary, you might only see one or two. It just depends. So you would find your child's teacher, and I'm going to choose this one. You tap on their name, and then it's going to open up just that particular classroom. It will open up to something called the stream. In the stream, you're going to see announcements. You're going to see probably where teachers have added different instructions saying what to do. If there's a due date that a teacher has given to a student, you'll see that under the upcoming, and it'll say what's due. And that is what you're going to find in the stream. Some teachers put everything all of their information in the stream, and some teachers put their information in the Classwork tab. So if you click on Classwork up at the top, some teachers will have their information organized by topics. So this particular class is organized by the 9 weeks. Yours might be organized by the unit. It just depends. But your students will see it's organized by the latest information first. So the most recent information will be listed at the top, and then it will go from there. All right. So in looking at an example of an assignment, you see these icons that are in green. If it's the clipboard means an assignment. If you see an icon that looks like this, that means it's a material. There's not an assignment. That's done. If you see, let's see what else I can find. A question, that means it is a question mark. So it's something that the student might need to answer. So that's what you're going to see. You're going to see a question mark. You're going to see like a clipboard. That means it's an assignment. Or you're going to see a materials icon, and that just means that there's information that's on there. So let me open up one of the assignments. Here is Crispin's journey analysis. You would just tap on the assignment and then click View Assignment. So your teacher will have some kind of instructions, or they'll add Google Slides, or that does have instructions on it. And then if your child wants to make a comment to the entire class, they would click on Class Comments. If they need to ask their teacher a private question, they would click on Private Comments, and then they would ask their question there. Once your child is done, then they would click Mark as Done. If they need to add anything, like a Google Doc, they would click on Add or Create there. And then the points will tell them how many points is for that particular assignment. If you see that there's a missing, that means that your child has not turned it in yet. And so that means that they need to mark as done in order for that to be turned in. If you have any questions at all about how to use Google Classroom, how to navigate on Google Classroom, you can look on the pisd.edu/IT. That is our hotspot, our PISD hotspot, and you can find all kinds of information there. Thank you so much.